Hi, welcome to ClearRetain. Today we're going to go over how to take a great self-impression of your teeth. Let's get started. First, let's see what you got in the box. This is going to be your customer information sheet. You won't need this, you just make sure that you send it back at the end. And then we have our instruction card. Just follow the link on it, you'll just click on the instructions page on our website. If you ordered an upper retainer or one of our upper products, you'll get 3 upper impression tray sizes. You'll also get 3 lower impression tray sizes if you ordered top and bottom. You're gonna have a base and a catalyst. The catalyst will be white and the base will be either red or blue. Before you begin, brush your teeth and wash your hands. Test the 3 different tray sizes in your mouth before you do anything else. Make sure that you use the largest tray that you can fit comfortably in your mouth. Pulling your cheek to the side with a hooked finger will make it easier to fit larger trays. You'll know which tray is the best size when your teeth can fit inside the tray without hitting the inner walls. Step 2. Remove 1 full white and 1 full red or blue putty from their containers. Set a timer on your smartphone or wristwatch for 25 seconds. Immediately begin mixing the white and red or blue putty together vigorously until the 2 putties become a solid color. Step 3. Immediately after mixing the putty, roll it into a ball and then make it into a log shape. Place the arch-shaped putty inside the tray with more in the front and less putty tapered off towards the back.
Go ahead and use a butter knife or a popsicle stick to leave a mark on the impression material. This will show you where your front teeth are going to go into the putty so that you don't scrape the plastic on the way in. As soon as you have the tray in your mouth, you're going to use your thumbs to press straight up from underneath, deeply in one fluid motion. Leave one thumb underneath and use the free hand to pull your upper lip out and around the edge. Then with that same hand, gently press around your upper lip to spread the impression putty around, capturing your gum tissue really well. Afterwards, put your thumb underneath and stabilize for the duration of the process.
Once you're done taking your impression, set a timer for 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes have elapsed, gently press against an area of putty with your fingertip to see if it has fully hardened. To remove the upper impression from your teeth, grip the top and bottom of the tray between your thumbs and fingers. Gradually pull downward on the upper tray until it pops off of your teeth. Don't pull on the tray handle. You'll feel a little bit of resistance, and that's totally normal. Next, go ahead and inspect your impression. When you take your lower impression, follow steps 1 through 3 just like you did with the upper impression. Put the tray with putty into your mouth and use a mirror to center the tray above your lower teeth.
Now press straight down in one fluid motion, leave one hand on to stabilize it, and then with the free hand, you're going to gently press around the area between your bottom lip and your chin to spread the impression putty around your gum tissue. This will give us the best impression possible. Once you've done that, hold it for the duration of the hardening process.
Once the putty is fully hardened, grip the top and bottom of the tray between your thumbs and fingers. Gradually pull upward on the tray. There will be some resistance until it pops off of your teeth. Don't pull on the tray handle. Next, you'll want to rinse out your impressions with water and use a paper towel to remove any excess water and saliva. Before you send in the impressions, take a moment to evaluate the overall quality. The impression should include all of your teeth, including the gum line. Take a couple of photos at a 45-degree angle and then send them to info@clearretain.com for approval. Once your impressions are approved, go ahead and put them in the return box provided and send them back to ClearRetain.